Hello everyone, my name is Barrister Adebimpe Omotunji. I'm a legal associate of Chairman Law Firm. Today I'll be talking about understanding the legal implication of purchasing property without the relevant title documents. The importance of title documents cannot be overemphasized in our daily life. This document serves as our legal evidence of the ownership of a particular property. These documents range from the deed of assignment, the certificate of occupancy, and also the survey plans given by the owner of the property. The importance of these title documents are very, very important because they help us to avoid any encumbrance on the land and also to confirm the property boundaries and if there's anybody on that land before the purchase of that property. We have a general case that actually teaches us a lot of things about the importance of the title documents. We have a popular case of Mr. Adeyemi Ogunleye and Mr. Ife Safenjo. Mr. Adeyemi purchased the property without collecting the certificate of occupancy from the owner of the property. Mr. Adeyemi went to continue building on that property, but then a third party came on that property and obstructed the plan of Mr. Adeyemi. Mr. Adeyemi took the property to court, and the court ruled in favor of the third party because the third party has relevant documents and Mr. Adeyemi in question did not have the relevant document to be the proper owner of that property. Okay, now let's talk about the legal implications of purchasing property without the relevant title documents. Number one is the risk of ownership dispute. The risk of ownership dispute in the sense that when you purchase a particular property without obtaining the relevant documents, you as the owner of the property have a lot of risk. Say somebody else can come tomorrow and say, yes, they are the owner of that property. How can you defend yourself without obtaining the relevant documents for you to say, okay, I'm the owner of this property? The importance of the relevant documents, such as the C of O, also the deed of assignment, and the survey plans cannot be overemphasized. They are the ones that give you the legal title as the legal owner of that property. And also, to avoid future disputes on the property, we need to obtain the relevant documents. Also, let me come down now. A lot of things can happen, and people can come and say, oh, you are the owner of this property. How do you defend yourself? Even if you take the case to court, just like the case of Mr. Adeyemi. The first thing the court of law will ask is that what are the relevant title documents you have as the bona fide owner of this property? If you cannot provide those types of documents, then there are lots of issues because there's no court that will rule in your favor if you don't have the necessary title documents. That's why a lot of investigation must be done on every property you purchase before you can boldly say that, oh, you are the owner of that property. Now we're going to be talking about the limited legal recourse. When we talk about this legal recourse, we are actually talking about the relevant documents that will help you, not just as a owner of the property, but in case of a future sale or in case you want to give it out to someone. These are the documents that will give you the legal recourse as a bona fide owner of that property. And in case of litigation, these legal recourse are very, very important because when you go to the court of law, they will ask you what are the documents you want to rely on and the evidence to put yourself as the ownership of that property. Now we'll talk about the difficulty in resale or transfer of that property. When you want to sell that particular land again, or in the case of transferring that particular property, maybe for family use or for commercial purpose, how do you do that without having a relevant document? When we talk about the legal document, we're also talking about documents that they can even give you and they have one way or the other tamper with that legal document. That's why as the buyer of the property, you need to be very observant and you need to ensure that you do a proper check as to the property you want to purchase. One of the primary difficulties faced by property owner without relevant title documents is the reluctance of the potential buyers or investors. Any investor wants to come and invest on that property will be very reluctant when they see that, oh, you as the owner of the property, you don't have the legal documents to that property. Nobody wants to risk investing in the property without full ownership from the person. Also, to ensure that the property is free from every encumbrances or legal disputes, it is very, very important to do a background check and also to also perform due diligence on the property to ensure the various and the most diligent way actually taken. Property owners face difficulty in resale or transfer due to lacking title documents, and they may find themselves in challenging position. They need to clarify legal issues and also make sure there is no missing documents when they are purchasing the property, and also to avoid extra costs and also to avoid depreciation on that particular property, because ensure that legal documents are well checked and a full background check are done before any purchase on the property is done. Also, the risk of fraudulent transaction. Acquiring real estate without relevant title documents poses a significant risk of fraudulent transaction. You expose yourself as a buyer to potential scams and financial losses. And also, in the absence of a valid and veritable title documents, individuals or entities may exploit the situation and perpetrate fraudulent activities. If anybody gets told that there is no proper documentation on that property, they can also come and use that situation to exploit you and also collect money on you. That is why it is important to take precaution before buying property. In concluding, the risk of fraudulent transaction looms large in real estate dealings without relevant title documents. Buyers must exercise caution. They must conduct a comprehensive check and also seek for professional assistance to safeguard their interests and investments. They must understand the legal implication and risk associated with acquiring property without valid title documents. Also, we must try to take necessary steps to rectify title deficiencies before purchasing or buying any land or any property. As German law firm, we understand the complexities and legal nuances of real estate transactions in Nigeria. The real estate industry has been polluted a lot, and Nigeria's system as a whole, have come across a lot of fraudulent transactions associated with real estate transactions. Engaging qualified legal professionals or real estate experts is very important in conducting thorough property assessments and verifying your title document before making any investment decision. In German law firm, we are your partner in real estate transaction. We also understand every difficulty you might be facing, and we are very, very available for you. You can do a walk-in into our head office at number 115 Obafemi Awolowo, Ikeja, Lagos State. That's at Allen Junction, beside the airport hotel. You can also go to our other branch at Arepo. You can also call us on 080-6555-3671 and also in 080-2420-0080. In Chairman Law Firm, the right to protect. Thank you.